I made over $400 yesterday in profit within just a few minutes without any knowledge, and you can do it too. If you don't know how to trade, how to analyze charts, or you simply don't have time for this, then copying trading signals could be a good option for you. Or maybe you simply don't have time for this, then using trading signals could be a good option for you to make money online. However, there are a bunch of things you need to know. So in this video, we will cover how trading signals look and what the abbreviation means. I will give you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can implement and copy the trading signals to your very own account. I will also show you how you can calculate your own lot size according to your own trading account size and your own risk management. And of course, I will also show you which risks are involved when you are using trading signals. If this topic is for you, then don't forget to leave a like. And if you're generally interested in trading, crypto, and how to make money online, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. But before we get started, as always, the risk disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. I'm showing you on my channels only what I am doing, what I'm currently interested in, and the profit and money I am making with it, or in case I do losses, even that. Trading is high risk, and especially copying trading signals, so please make sure to only invest money which you do not need for a living. So let's get started. In one of my previous videos here, I presented you a service which can help you to pass prop firm challenges within 24 hours, and this even guaranteed. And I tested this service not only once, but twice so far, and both challenges have been successfully funded within under 1 hour. And to get funded with my $200,000 account was totally passive without any experience, but the service provider funded for you did it for me. They do guarantee that you pass the challenge, and if not, you will not only get back the service fee which you paid to fund it for you, but also the challenge fee which you paid for the prop firms. And prop accounts, prop firms, prop trading can be so interesting because we can have a really limited calculated risk, but then have a huge leverage in our profits and trading activity. For example, with the prop firm Kotana, we can get a $10,000 account for just $140, or what I did, a $200,000 for just under $1,000. So we only have to risk maximum this $1,000 in order to trade after with a $200,000 account. And from this, we can get an up to 100% profit share. So all the money we are making with this account will then stay with us. But this is, in case of Kotana, only after 60 days. The first payout is just a 50% profit split. At this time, I'm not saying Kotana is the best prop firm. It's definitely not. However, Kotana accepts HFT trading bots during the challenge. That's why Funded for You is offering the passing of the challenge, for example, for Kotana and other prop firms too, for a really great deal. However, Funded for You only offers passing of challenges at the moment and do not have any account management service yet, and maybe they're ready in about 1 or 2 months. But this means once we have a funded account, or of course any normal account will do the same if you want to, but I just really like prop firms because of the really calculated risk and the huge leverage, and this really quick return on investment which we can have here. So what does it mean? When we got a service provider who helped us passing the challenge, and if we don't know how to trade ourselves, we have 3 other options. The second option is to hire another service for the account management. The third options are bots, which not all prop firms allow. And the fourth is copy trading signals. And with the accounts which I got funded using the Funded for You service, I decided to test their trading signals as well on those accounts. So I checked their trading signals and the results of January, and this have been really well. In the first January week, they made more than 2,500 pips, then 1,655 pips, 1,400 pips, and then almost 3,000 pips a week. So in total, they made more than 8,500 pips in January alone. So I have given it a try, And within only 3 trading days where I copied their signals, I made more than $1,300 in profit. And this took me maybe just 5 minutes a day. And I have to admit, I didn't copy all the trading signals they gave me, but just like maybe 1 or 2 a day. Otherwise, I could have made even more profit. So let's check how trading signals look like, what they actually mean, and then finally also how you can copy it yourself to your very own existing copy trading account. So for example, here they gave us a signal to sell Bitcoin USDT at the price of $5,670.50. They will always tell you if it's a sell or a buy, then of course the trading pair, and then the current price. After this, you will usually find at least one take profit, but maybe even 2, 3 or more. In this case, TP always means take profit. This is the first take profit, which should be at the following price. And if we hit the take profit 1, it would be a profit of 10 pips. Then they do have a take profit 2, which is at the following price. And if we hit this take profit 2, it would be a profit of 20 pips. And same goes for take profit 3 then. And the TP, the take profit, means that once the chart hit this specific price, the trade will automatically close with this 10 pips profit, or here at the take profit 2 with 20 pips profit. However, we also need to know what we are willing to risk, so they always, or should have always, a stop loss. I know some trading signal provider do not provide this. If you notice this, I would definitely stay away from the signal provider. Here with Funded for You, they do provide that. And the SL means the stop loss. And this is actually the price when the trade will automatically close, but with loss. So we can see here exactly how much pips we would be willing to lose in this case. And by the way, if you're interested in trying the trading signals, Funded for You has a free trading signal group. This, however, is from the VIP room, which definitely has more trading signals, but you can just test it out with the free group. And if you're satisfied with the results, you may want to upgrade. So I'll leave for you the Telegram links down below in the description. And if you decide to go with the VIP signals, then please use the discount code FUNDED20 or tell them that you are referred from Melanie Buchholz, so that they will grant you 20% discount on your purchase. And same applies also if you want to get funded with Funded for You on your prop firm. Let's have a look how we can actually copy trading signals into our own trading account, and we will do it together step by step as a complete tutorial. And I will show you this on the smartphone, because usually trading signals come when we are not at our laptop or PC. So usually we'll do it on our smartphone. And the very first thing which you are doing here is you go to your Play Store, Apple Store, whatever, and you search for MetaTrader, either 4 or 5. This totally depends on your trading account. You do have your trading account credentials, and there you will also know if it's MetaTrader 4 or 5. In my case, it's with MetaTrader 4. Once you installed it, you find a demo account there, so you can test and try everything there yourself. Even if you have a new trading signal provider or want to trade yourself, you can use a demo account anytime. And once you want to add your existing trading account, your real trading account, you can just go on this plus sign. You can also see you can open a new demo account, a second demo account, for example, or you can log in to an existing account. You will need to type in your broker then, and of course after your credentials, your trading account number, your password, and then you are ready to go. Right now, at the time of recording, there are no trading signals here, which we really want to implement. So I'll just show it to you on the demo account, how you can actually implement it. So once you logged into your account, you will find here at the 2 arrows a lot of trading pairs, so you can see if your trading pair which you want to trade is already there or not. So in my case, I will show this on the example of the Bitcoin USD trading signal. We don't have any Bitcoin USD here yet. So you could go on the plus sign and then just type the trading pair inside, like Bitcoin USD, and you can click and add it. And after, you will find the trading pair here. I already had my Bitcoin USD added, so I just showed you with the Bitcoin Euro chart, just so you can see how it works. Of course, make sure that you use, if the trading pair is Bitcoin USD, that you actually use Bitcoin USD and not Bitcoin Euro or Bitcoin, whatever, right? Always use the correct trading pair. So now what you do is you click on Bitcoin USD and you can either open the chart here or you can click on Bitcoin USD and make a new order. If you're going to the chart first and want to have a look at this, you can also place an order from here by just clicking here in the right hand corner, and this is what you will find. Now let's add all the things in here. The first thing is market execution. With the signal I'm showing you here, it is a market execution order. And this means as soon as we are placing our order, it will be executed on the market. We do have also options to buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Those actually mean that we are just adding an entry point, and as soon as the entry point was hit, then the order will be done. However, if you have a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, whatever, you do find it in the trading signal as well. It will be clearly mentioned there. If there's nothing specific mentioned, it is a market execution order. So we click on market execution. After this, we need to decide for the lot size, which you can find here. It can be as low as 0.01 and can be up to high lot sizes. And the lot size is actually defining how much money we are putting in a trade, how much we want to risk in a trade. And for this, you should use a tool, for example, Cashback. Forex.com, you will find the link also down below in the description. It is a free tool to use, and this is a lot size calculator. How you use it is, first of all, you use the trading pair, which is in our case the Bitcoin USD, the deposit currency, which is also USD in my case, then the opening price, which you always find here at the top. However, notice that the market price they are showing you in the signal is their entrance price. If you find that you do have another entrance price already, because the chart changes, of course, and it always depends if you just dive in right immediately after they posted the signal or not, and especially with crypto, of course, it can vary all the time. So if you have another opening price rather than the signal, then please type in here your opening price at the time that you are setting the trade. Then after you add the stop loss price, again, this is here with the SL, your account balance, which in my case is $100,000, and then you can decide your risk. I usually go with 0.5 to 1% risk. It depends what kind of account I have and what the requirements are. So if I go with a prop trading account and want to add the trades there, I usually go not above 0.5% risk, because I already have a huge leverage due to the funded account. So I don't want to risk there anything, especially with funded accounts. We do have some drawdowns to maintain. So I usually really don't go above 0.5%. However, if it's my very own account, I am willing to risk more because I don't have to maintain a specific drawdown. So I have a higher risk tolerance there, and then I go usually up to 1%. But for this example, let's stick with 0.5% and let's click on calculate. And then you'll find if you have this signal and this risk you are willing to take, you would risk a money of a total of $1,000 and you have a lot size which you can use of 2.5. If we have only one take profit, then you can go to the app and add here 2.5 as a lot. However, if you have more than one take profit, then you have to divide your lot size by 3. So it would be 0.2 as a lot size divided by 3, which is 0.83 as lot size, which we can actually use. So let's change it quickly in our app. So we make 0.83, and after we add the take profit price, which is 5665, and then also the stop loss price. And then you can click on sell or buy. In our case, we do have a sell signal, so we would click on sell. I will not do it now because it's an old signal from yesterday. But apart from this, you would just go here and click on sell. One thing which you need to make sure, however, is that when you copy a trading signal, you should be close to the entry point. It doesn't make sense if you are seeing the signal a little later, the Bitcoin chart or whatever is already close to the take profit 1 or even 2. It doesn't make sense here to actually copy the signal. I wouldn't do that because you're risking much more. So if the chart is fine, then you would go on this plus sign again and you would make another order for the take profit 2, and again you go, it's market execution, you would change your lot size to 0.83, what we already calculated. Add here your take profit and your stop loss, and then click on sell or buy. And then you would do the same thing with the take profit 3, of course, and that's it. Please also make sure when you're copying a trading signal to always calculate your lot size and your risk for every single trading signal. Because let's say we are changing the stop loss price and instead of 50 we do it 40. Okay, we had a lot size of 2.5 before, and now let's calculate it. So let's try it. So instead of having a stop loss price at 57,150, we make it. And now let's calculate again, and you will find that the lot size has increased dramatically because the stop loss is now much closer to our entry point, and thus we would risk less. However, we had 150 at the beginning. If we would turn it to maybe 500 instead and calculate here now, you will see that our lot size has been decreased a lot as well. And don't forget, if we have 3 take profits, we would even need to divide these 1.3 lots by 3. So you will see, like, depending on how many pips your entry point to the stop loss point is, your lot size will vary depending on your risk tolerance. So to summarize it really quickly, the first thing you need to do is to download MetaTrader 4 or 5, add the account by entering your credentials, choose the correct trading part, check if the entrance point is still worth it or not, if it's still similar to the signal you got. If it's so and still worth to enter it, go and calculate your own lot size. And then, of course, you can add the lot size, your take profit, the stop loss, and so on. And after this, you can just lay back and relax and see money coming in. Like, not exactly, but definitely it is much more passive rather than checking the charts. But you should still be up to date with this signal provider because they will tell you when you are moving your stop loss, or even to close a trade manually if the indicators change and the market condition changes. And also usually you should have a look at the chart because as soon as your take profit 1 was hit, all the other stop losses from the other trades, like from take profit 2 and 3, will be moved to a break even, so that even with the other trades, if they are hitting the stop loss, we do not make any loss actually, but we are around plus minus 0. So if we find a good signal provider, it can be a really nice source of semi-passive income, even without any trading knowledge or with limited time. But you need to find a good one and a consistently good one. And even if you found this, there are always some risk involved, of course. First of all, you never know how good a signal is or the provider is. Even if the past was really well and the results have been amazing, it can always change in future. We all know the saying, past results never guarantee future results, and this is totally true. So please do not increase your risk just because the trader made so great profits in the past and now you're totally trusting them, and then you're just like ripping off your account. Just be consistent with your risk. A second issue which we can have is the time difference or just being busy when signals are coming in, which leads that we will not be able, of course, to 100% replicate the trading profits which the signal provider is sharing with us. But we might skip some signals because we are on the road, already sleeping, just during our work, whatever. And maybe sometimes we are just seeing it maybe 10 minutes too late, half an hour too late, and the chart already changed that much that it's just not worth it to enter the trade anymore. If the market changed and the trade is already almost at take profit, I would not recommend you to open the trade. However, if it moved a little closer to the stop loss, I think it's okay to still add the trade because this actually means you would risk less. But always check the chart yourself a little bit and just try to get a gut feeling also if it's still worth to get into the trade or not. Because in generally, of course, trading is super risky and blindly copying any trading signals is having even more risk. I highly recommend everyone who is into copy trading or copying trading signals to get some education, some knowledge to understand at least the basic of analysis of charts and how this works. So that when you get a trading signal, you can still have a quick look if you agree with the signal or not and take your own responsibility instead of blaming the trading signal provider at the end. Also, there are of course huge differences in trading signal providers if they are doing more the short-term trading, like a few minutes, maybe a few hours, or if they are more long-term oriented for a few days, a few weeks. So please make sure of this and don't get a heart attack if you see a red number or any trade which is in loss or even just in floating loss. This totally belongs to trading. You will not find any trader who will never do. But at the end, the weekly results or the monthly results are this what counts. And here, of course, we should make a good profit. So to summarize it all, if you're a little flexible when it comes to your time and to actually copy the trading signals, and if you have a good signal provider and a good risk management, then definitely trading signals can be a really great source of semi-passive income. Still, don't forget to learn at least the basics of trading, to understand what they are doing, to understand the market. And don't forget to keep an eye on the chart at least from time to time so that you can adjust your stop loss and move your stop loss to break even and similar. If this video finds you helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to try the trading signals from Funded for You, don't forget they do have a free channel for this, so you can have a brief look and try some of the signals. And if you are confident in joining their VIP program, you can use Funded20 as a discount code to get 20% off. And you can also check them if you want to pass your prop firm challenge totally passively and 100% guaranteed. You'll find all the links down below in the descriptions. And if you have any further questions about this topic, don't hesitate to drop a comment and I'm happy to reply or do a follow-up video. Other than that, check out the Funded for You review video where you find all the details or learn how you can get many subscriptions for just a fraction of the cost, including Netflix or even YouTube Premium in case you're annoyed by all the ads in between YouTube videos.